we've got that propane heater exposed. We don't have the drywall to patch it right now. We're gonna have to get some scrap pieces to finish up that extension of the cabinet. So it's convenient that it's right next to this propane cabinet. We can just run the line right in there to power it. Also right here, this is underneath where the fridge sits, open box. So that is where the propane hot water heater will go, which is nice because I'll be able to get rid of this nasty patch, hopefully. But right now, we need to drop this floor down to here for our 10-gallon propane tank, or tanks, right? Wow, they actually, they just don't build them like they used to, huh? Look at that joint. A bit of aluminum here. Went ahead and riveted in place for support. So now we need to notch out this guy here, here, and then notch out the insulation, and we'll get this other side put in. So we've got some of this 1-inch square steel stock. It's been laying around. Came from a old lumber rack on a pickup truck, but it's still in pretty good shape. We'll go ahead and use this for supporting our box. Go ahead and just cut this straight back to 1 inch, bend it down, and then we're just gonna weld and bolt it. I think I might do a dog leg off this guy down to the bottom corner of the new floor, and then we'll probably be reusing these guys for the new floor. The side does come in a little bit. I had to do a relief cut here, because to put this in straight, it was pushing all this outward. Wasn't really liking it. So let's go ahead and start assembling this. I do think that this brace back here, should weld this in on the sides. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick. Now we have to try and weasel a bolt into there. Give me a minute, I need both hands. She's pretty stable. Downward pressure, right? But left to right, not so secure. So we'll have to figure something out. All right, so this left to right action going on. We're gonna go ahead and just put this guy down right there. Oh, line it up with my marks. So this corner will be about a 1/4 inch behind this corner here for the door, and same with this side here. So we're gonna clamp this boy down, go ahead and weld all of our joints. I trust my welds to a degree, but with full propane tanks bouncing up and down the road, I'd really rather be sure and not have to worry about it falling out and running over it, something crazy happening. So I'm gonna put you down and I'll get to welding all this, and I'll be back in a little bit.